Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be at. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be at. Men, you are the prize. You are the prize. You are the man of value. You are the one bringing substance to the table. You are the one that should be held on to. You are the one. You are the one. Ask yourself something, man. When you were in that relationship or those relationships and you or her decided to go your separate ways, who lost? Who lost? And to answer your question, it was her. When men are in relationships and things do not work out, all they lose is emotions. All they lose is feelings. What does a woman lose? A woman goes back to paying her own bills. A woman goes back to paying for her hair and her nails. A woman loses herself. Because if a woman gets her hair done, let's say she gets braids done twice a month, that's about $600-700. If she get her nails done once a week, 4 weeks in a month, pedicure, manicure is about $100. That's like $400. So it's about $1,000 a month just for hair and nails for a woman. Because let's be honest, after about a week and a half, those braids don't look too fresh anymore. I don't care what she puts on her hair. So $1,000 a month, if you're a man of that caliber, $1,000 a month, she now has to pay out of her own pocket or walk around with her hair and nails looking a mess. Did she lose? Was that $1,000 that she could have saved and put in her pocket? Now her nails aren't looking too fresh anymore. Now her hair is not looking too fresh anymore. Let's talk about bills, electricity, water, gas. Maybe you just even gave her money. She could do whatever she wanted to do with that money. Now she got to pay for those bills out of pocket anymore. Now she has to pay for those bills out of pocket. The money you gave her, the spending money, the credit cards, debit cards, gift cards, money she used to buy food, drinks, groceries, shopping, Zara's, shoes, whatever she wanted, she doesn't have anymore. Now she has to work harder for the things that she wants. Now she has to swipe her credit card for the things that she wants. Now she has to save for the things that she wants. And what did we lose? Nothing. Let's be honest, as much as I love women so much, when they have left me or I have left them, I lost nothing. I lost emotions. And let's be honest, time heals those emotions. Time heals all wounds. Yeah, I might have missed one, I might have missed two. But after 1 or 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, I don't really miss them that much. But after 1 month, 2 months, 4 months, her bills still gotta get paid. Her hair and nails still gotta get done. She still has to provide groceries. She still has to go shopping because women love to shop. So who really lost? Because in 1 to 2 to 4 months, I'm probably over you by now. In 1 to 2 to 4 months, you still got bills that gotta be paid. So who really lost? Think about it now. Still thinking? In relationships, men are the prize. If you leave me and your life gets worse after you leave me, you are not the prize. Let me repeat that one more time for those in the back. If you leave me and your life gets worse after you leave me, you are not the prize. And every woman that I've been with, their life got worse after they left me. Let me repeat that again. Every woman that I've been with, even my ex-wife, their life got worse after they left me. Because let's be honest, and hey, I pay bills, I'll pay rent, I'll do that. My wife knows that. The last individual knows that. I'll do that. I'll pay your rent. I'm not saying every man should pay rent, but I will. But it ain't too many men walking around here offering to pay a woman's rent. It ain't too many men walking around here offering to pay a woman's gas or electricity. When I've talked about the bills I paid to 4 women, men laughed in my face. Why do you do that? You don't need to do that. Ha 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 ha. They laughed in my face. It ain't too many men like us. Listen, women, respectfully, I love y'all. If you love me, let me know. Men only see 2 things in a woman, which can cause him to fall in love, get attached, want to be with you. 2 things in order. Pay attention. Your looks, how you are in bed. All right, in case you missed that, in case your internet is not so great, in case you got dial-up or AOL, I'm going to repeat that one more time. A man only sees 2 things in a woman that makes him want to commit. Your looks, how you are in bed. That's it. And guess what there are in the world? There are a lot of beautiful women. Guess what there are in the world? There's a lot of holes, HOLES, for a man to put us in. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. And sometimes it be so good you don't the bedroom activities don't gotta be great. Sometimes you just put it in and you be like, don't even gotta work for it. She only gotta work for it. So a man only sees 2 things in a woman. Those 2 things that he sees in a woman, which is her looks, because every man wants a woman that looks good beside him, and her bedroom activities, which no one really knows about. Those 2 things are easily replaceable. Because there's a lot of beautiful women in the world. There's a lot of beautiful women in the world. But some of these men, a lot of these men aren't so irreplaceable, fool. A man will always be the prize, and you women need to understand that. Yeah, you're the prize too, sure. But who loses at the end of the relationship? Women, you need to start treating men better. You need to humble yourselves. Your mother failed you, and that's why you're single right now. That's why you're not married right now.